Hi, and welcome to another section adding some real-time functionality. In this section, we're going to add some real-time functionality to our application. We will create a voting system, and that voting system will help you to understand how Socket.io works. We will show you how to work with events and listen to events, and we show you how to perform a broadcast event and work with namespacing. Set up Socket.io on the server. In this video, we're going to take a look at how Socket.io works and how we can set it up on the server together with express.js. So Socket.io is the real-time web framework for Node.js. For the moment, it has version 2 with a lot of rich features to handle real-time communication within your web application. Core of Socket.io works with WebSockets. So when you want to send something from the client to the server, we can send it through a socket and you can get responses back, or you can listen to certain events that can come from your server. So let us install Socket.io now in our application. So now we're going to install Socket.io in our application. So first of all, we need to declare some variables for Socket.io. So we do that with const http equals require the HTTP library of Node. And then we can say .server and then we pass by our Express app. Of course, then we need to declare const io equals require socket.io. Then we pass by our HTTP object. And we then scroll by to the bottom of our page. We need to change this to http.listen. And another very important thing that we need to do now is say to io.onConnection here we have socket, and then we can put a console.log. Now we can start our server. You will see that everything just works fine. Now we can handle connections from Socket.io and we can react upon them. So when we have a connection, we get a socket back, and on that socket we can listen to events and do certain things.